Welcome to SolidCAM Professor on our series of Jumpstart, the easy way to get up to speed in SolidCAM. I'm Sidney, a SolidCAM Professor, and in this session we'll be doing part 8 of our first lesson. Since all our operations on this part are now complete, let's run through our simulation in its entirety. Right-click on the Operations folder in our CAM Manager and select Simulate. When our simulation dialog appears, we will select Solid Verify. If we press the play button at this point, we will run through the entire simulation without stopping. As each operation is simulated, we can follow along in the CAM Manager as it highlights each current operation. Now, if we want to single out an operation, we can just highlight it in the CAM Manager and press play. Note that it starts the simulation from the beginning of that specific operation. Also note that the part model is automatically updated according to the selected operation. We can also stop in the middle of one operation, highlight a different operation in our CAM Manager, and when we press play, it will start from our newly selected operation. We also have a button in our simulation called Stop on Next that allows us control over where we would like our simulation to pause during playback. So for example, let's put a check mark in our Tool Change option. Let's also highlight the Operations folder in our CAM Manager so we are once again running through our simulation in its entirety. When we click play now, we notice it will begin playing through the simulation and pause after the first operation because the next operation switches to Tool 2. Now when we click play again, we notice it plays through both operations 2 and 3 because they both use the same tool. The final operation uses Tool 3, and if we click play one more time, it will finish running through our simulation. We can exit our simulation by pressing the eject button. We have now concluded Part 8 of Lesson 1 in our series of Jumpstart. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.